Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you numericals related to conductance, specific conductance, cell constant, okay, molar conductivity, equivalent conductivity. So look here, question number 1 is the resistance of a conductivity cell containing 0.001 m. This is given concentration, okay. KCl solution at 298 Kelvin is 1500 ohm. So 1500 ohm is given resistance. This is the resistance. Resistance R is equal to 1500 ohm. What is the cell constant? We have to find out in this question cell constant. Cell constant we have to find out. Okay students. After this, if the conductivity is conductivity kappa, conductivity is denoted by kappa. Kappa is equal to given 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Simon per centimeter. Dear student, you know very well formula of cell constant is conductivity upon conductance. Cell constant is equal to, we have to find in this question cell constant. Formula of cell constant is conductivity kappa upon conductance. And student, you know very well 1 upon conductance is equal to resistance. So you have to learn this formula also. Resistance is equal to 1 upon conductance. Okay, resistance is equal to 1 upon conductance. So 1 upon conductance is equal to, we can write 1 upon conductance is equal to resistance. So we can write here conductivity kappa into resistance. Value of conductivity kappa is 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 into resistance R is 1500 ohm. 1500 ohm. Okay student. Now we have to solve it. 10 to the power minus 3 0 15 remove this point. When we remove this point, then 30 increase downward in denominator. So after this 10 20 10 20 30 to 30 cancel. 15 6 ja 90, carry on 9. 15 4 ja 60, 60 plus 9 69, carry on 6. 15 1 ja 15, 15 plus 6 21. So we can write here 2190 and 10 to the power minus 3. So when 10 to the power minus 3, we can write in this way 1 2 3, 0 to 0 cancel. Finally we get 20. So use decimal after 2 digit, 2.19. So unit of cell constant value is 2.19 and unit of cell constant is centimeter inverse. Okay students, first question is very easy. You have to learn only formula. Cell constant is equal to conductivity upon conductance, and the second formula 1 upon conductance is equal to resistance. So look here, 1 upon conductance is equal to resistance. In the place of this 1 upon resistance, you have to 1 upon conductance, you have to write resistance, and putting the value of conductivity kappa and resistance R, you will get this answer. Okay, after this next question is the conductivity of 0.20 m. This is concentration. I have told you in first question. M for mole per liter, and unit of concentration is M is molarity, and molarity unit is mole per liter. So this is concentration C. Concentration C is equal to 0.20 20 m, or we can also say mole per liter. KCl solution at 298, the conductivity of 0.20 m KCl solution at 298 Kelvin is 0.025. So conductivity is given. Conductivity is denoted by kappa, and conductivity kappa is given 0.025 Siemen per centimeter. Okay, students. In this question, we have to find out, calculate its molar conductivity. So, in this question, we have to find out molar conductivity lambda m, or other symbol is lambda m is equal to question mark. In this question, you have to find out lambda m is equal to question mark. So, formula of molar conductivity lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 upon C. Value of kappa is given 0. Value of kappa is given. This is the value of kappa 0.025 Siemens per centimeter into 1000 upon concentration. Value of concentration is 0.20. We can write it 0.2 only, because after decimal there is no importance of 0. Okay, so we can write it 0.2 only. Okay, students, 0.2. Remove this point. After point 1, 2, 3 digit. So we have to use 30, means 1000 in denominator. 1, 2, 3. 30 to 30 cancel. When we remove this point, then increase 1 0. 2 1, total we get 25 ja 250. Look here, 25 ja 25 into 10. 25 into 10. 25 1 ja 25. 0. Divide by 2. We get 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 5 ja 10. So student, you have to learn this formula. Lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 upon C. And unit of molar conductivity is Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Okay, student, if you have any confusion, then write it comment box as I have problem in this sum. Okay, next question. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of 1m H2SO4. 1m means concentration is 1, and H2SO4 compound is H2SO4. You have to write this thing in your brain. What is the name of compound? H2SO4. So I am telling you molecular mass of H2SO4. Molecular mass of H2SO4. From 9th standard, your chemistry teacher is telling you that molecular mass is equal to sum of atomic mass of all atoms. Atomic mass of one hydrogen 1, and number of hydrogen here 2. 1 into 2 plus sulfur is 32 plus oxygen 16 into 4. Total we get 98. We get here 98 atomic mass unit. And after this, next is equivalent mass. Equivalent mass of H2SO4 is equal to, formula of equivalent mass is equal to molecular mass. Equivalent mass of acid is equal to molecular mass upon number of displaced hydrogen, number of replaced hydrogen, number of ionizable hydrogen. So molecular mass of H2SO4 we get 98, and number of displaced hydrogen in H2SO4. When we break H2SO4, जब हम H2SO4 को ब्रेक करेंगे तो आपका ये ब्रेक होके देगा 2 हाइड्रोजन आयन plus sulfate ion. Here number of displaceable hydrogen 2, so divided by 2. Formula of equivalent mass of acid is molecular mass of acid divided by number of ionizable hydrogen, displaced hydrogen, divided we get 49. Now in this question we have to, whose conductivity is 26. 26, this is conductivity, this is given kappa. In this question kappa is given, conductivity kappa is equal to given 26 into 10 to the power minus 2 Ohm inverse, centimeter inverse. Ohm inverse, centimeter inverse. So student, first we have to find out in this question gram equivalent per liter. So we have to find out gram equivalent per liter. Gram equivalent. Gram means mass. So we have to write here molecular mass. After this, equivalent per liter. So how we can, formula of gram equivalent per liter is write molecular mass upon equivalent mass. Formula of gram equivalent per liter. We have to write molecular mass divided by its equivalent weight. So molecular mass 98 divided by equivalent weight, that is 49. When we solve it, then we get 2. Okay students. So this is also concentration, CEQ, equivalent concentration. In this question we have to find out equivalent conductivity. I have told you in my previous videos formula of equivalent conductivity, lambda m, or we can write lambda also in this way. Equivalent, here we have to use EQ. Lambda EQ is equal to, formula is kappa into 1000, kappa into 1000 upon C. Value of kappa. Value of kappa is in the question, value of kappa. Kappa value is 26 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1000 into 1000 and divide by upon C. Here is given upon C. So divided by 2. When we divide it by 2, then we get 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Finally we get 13 and 10 to the power 3 minus 10 to the power 2. When we solve it, we get 130. So lambda EQ, equivalent conductivity, is 130 and unit of its ohm inverse centimeter square. Ohm inverse centimeter square, equivalent inverse. Okay students, so in this topic you have to learn only 3 formula. First formula, cell constant is equal to conductivity upon conductance, and 1 upon conductance is equal to resistance. Next, molar conductivity, lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 upon C. And third formula is a gram equivalent per liter is equal to molecular mass upon equivalent mass. We get equivalent concentration, and lambda equivalent conductivity, lambda equivalent is equal to kappa into 1000 upon C. Put the value, solve it, get it. Student, I hope that you can understand all point in this lecture. Like this video, share it to your friends, subscribe my channel. Okay students.